Hey guys, welcome to Login Up. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon account online on your PC. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Amazon account online on your computer, first you'll be required to open your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address amazon.com like this and hit on enter. Or you can simply search for Amazon login like this on search bar itself and hit on enter. And you can see guys, let's close this window for a moment. Over here just below the ads of the amazon.in, it says your account by the amazon.com. Click over there. Whereas on the first tab, we are on the home page of the Amazon, as well as the second tab. You can see guys, this is not, I guess, not the login page, but your account page of the Amazon. That being said guys, you can see both of these pages are with of the Amazon, where you can see the hello sign in button available at both of these pages. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your Amazon account, simply hover over the sign in button and you can see there is the sign in button available first over here. Click on that sign in button like this, and over here you can see it's the direct login page of the Amazon, where you'll be required to enter your email address or your mobile number. My computer has auto saved my credentials, so I'll not be required to type my credentials manually, but you will be required to type it. With that being said guys, and if you have not yet registered an account for Amazon, you can simply click on create your Amazon account button available over here to go through a procedure to create an Amazon account. With that being said guys, after entering your email address or your phone number, let's click on continue. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your password. Similarly, my computer has auto-filled it for me. With that being said, if you have forgotten your Amazon account's password, you can simply click on forgot your password button available over here. And when you click on the forgot your password button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve or reset your Amazon account's password. With that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in like this, and then you'll be skip this, and then you'll be logged in or signed into your Amazon account on your PC like this. And there, this is how you log into your Amazon account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.